this looks like it's growing out my scalp though. This a little bit kind of cute. Of course, glueless. Get ready with me while I get ready for work, because my boss gonna put me to the side yesterday talking about something. We're gonna need you to get here at your regular time or else. Or else what? You gonna fire me so I can get some more sleep? Because that's all I can think about. But sound like a threat to you, sound like an amazing time to me. Where my wig at? We're gonna go ahead and do this YAKI straight hair from Nadula. Hold on, because this hair kind of look like this girl I used to go to school with. Let me find out she's selling her hair on the side. I know her around the way, girl, when I see it. Look at that texture. This hair is very familiar. Oh, let's get into the party space, because you know that's our favorite part right there. Bye-bye knots. Okay, where the knots at? We don't know. We can't see them. We getting money. You already know what come pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. I'm in here talking, running my mouth. I got to go. I got to go now. To be honest, this wig just let me know I'm supposed to be a lawyer anyway. This job is just temporary for something bigger. Baby, I'm going to put the Crocs on because the heels is in the car. It's fire. Ooh, let me get up out of here. Oh, my God.